Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors. Get ready to start a, let me turn this around now. Hand distressed walnut wood flooring. Going to make it flat. And this thing ain't turning around. There it goes. It's already set up. Let's go inside and take a look. These hand distressed floorings, you've seen these videos, they the top parts wear off in the low areas, and this one just is relatively new. It should have lasted a lot longer, but God, it's gonna be so beautiful once we're finished because of the colors when they show up. You'll be able to see that. Uh-oh, here comes the little one. Hey! And this is not that old. And here's what it should have looked like where the desk was. Say hi to the video. Oh my goodness. I just want to squeeze your cheeks. All right, guys, wait for the next video. It's going to be a crazy difference. Look at the steps just took a beating. Oh. Here we go. Carrie, you want to get in this video? No.